Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so keep your eye out for those. And I'm sharing my investment journey with stocks and crypto with you guys as well. So we are going on a holiday tomorrow to the seaside, and I thought this is a great time to share some tips with you how you can save on day trips and day outs, because the tips I give you is exactly the same tips that I use for holidays, because I tend to plan them out ahead. So these tips can work for holidays, weekend trips, or for any day out you would like to go to in the future. So if you find this really helpful, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up to show your support. The first tip I want to talk to you guys about is booking in advance. It's a great idea to go to the website of the place you would like to go to, because a lot of the time when you pre-book your ticket and you arrive with your ticket already paid, it costs a lot less than when you buy it at the gate. Or you can have a look to see if there's any special deals on places like Voucher, Groupon, and there's a lot of other sites like this on the internet. So my second tip is, if you're on a really tight budget and you don't really want to spend a lot of money at the place you are going to, a great idea is to try and take a packed lunch or take some drinks with you, so you don't have to buy everything there, so you can spend the money on rides or other things in the theme park or museum or wherever you want to go instead. Or you can get yourself some souvenirs as a reminder that you guys have been there, or maybe as a reminder of a special day you had together as a family, or maybe as some friends. If you're getting value so far, please hit that like button so it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate your support. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So the next tip is, have a look for 2-for-1 deals. Sometimes online you can get a lot of 2-for-1 deals. Or if you go to the shops and maybe there's some chips you want to buy or any cool drink, you can always have a look on the labels, because sometimes there's vouchers on there that you can get a 2-for-1 deal that will make it cheaper, especially if you go as a family. Then the dad can go with the one child and the mom can go with the other one, and you can maybe use 2 of those tickets. If they don't want to accept 2 tickets for one, then you can just pay separately, because each child has an adult with it. That way 4 people can enter at the price of 2. The next tip, unfortunately, I can't use anymore as my daughter has grown up quite a lot, but it's one I used to use when she was younger, is trying to see where you can get free entry. When you have a child under 3, you can get free entries for theme parks, sea life centers or museums, because they can't really appreciate it and they can't really go on a lot of the rides. So that will help you to save some money on any day trips that you go on as well. Now the last tip for today is, if you want to go to certain places, it's a great idea to go look for them on social media and to follow them, because a lot of the times they put out special deals or great events online, so that you can find these deals early and make sure that you book yourself a day for you and your family before it's sold out, especially if this is a popular place and a lot of people always tend to want to go there. So make sure that you keep an eye out for those. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.